Hey guys, if you're looking for a quick and easy recipe for the holidays, or any time of year for that matter, then these cream cheese cupcakes are just for you. Only 6 ingredients, so easy, so delicious, so let me show you how to make this. Okay guys, what I've got here is about 3/4 of a cup of crushed graham crackers. Now you can use digestive biscuits or even crushed Oreos for that matter. And I'm going to go ahead and add some butter to this. And give this a mix up. And this is about what you want, a nice crumbly sandy mixture. And I should mention that's about 3 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Now we are going to add some of our crumbly mixture to the bottom of a muffin cup. And how much you put in is up to you, but I'd say about 3/4 of an inch. And I'm just going to take a measuring device here and flatten it down. You know, you can use a glass, whatever you have on hand. And just look at these guys, aren't they looking absolutely spectacular? Next up, I'm going to add 250 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese to my mixing bowl, and this is at room temperature too. Followed by a 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. World's easiest recipe. Then we are just going to go ahead and start up our mixer and mix this up until it's nice and smooth. And what you want is a beautiful smooth mixture, something like this, guys. This is just perfect. And you know what I forgot, guys, are a few drops of vanilla extract. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in and give it a quick mix once again. Okay, and now I am going to use my ice cream scoop and grab up a good scoop of the mixture, something like this. You can use a spoon too. And simply just scoop it into the muffin well, or the muffin cup. Oh, just like ice cream. Then, and only then, I'm going to grab up my spoon and just kind of smooth these out so you get a nice, beautiful, dainty little cup. Oh. And I snuck around and tried some of this mixture, guys, and it is so good. Okay guys, there are our cheese cream cups, all nice and even, and don't they look cute? Okay, here's the thing guys, you can eat these as is, but I'm going to slip mine in the freezer for about ½ an hour, just so they firm up. Well, our cupcakes are setting, guys, and you're looking for another easy and delicious holiday recipe, try our easy peasy pineapple cream cheese balls. They are absolutely stunning. Now we've allowed our cupcakes to set, I am just going to remove them from the muffin tray. Oh, and just look at these. Aren't they cute, guys? And now we shall do the unveiling. Take these out of the muffin wrappers, or the cupcake wrappers. And there they are, guys. Don't they look ever so beautiful? Set this aside on a plate. Oh. And to make these real pretty like, I'm just going to garnish them up with a raspberry on top. Now you can use strawberries or even a candy strawberry for that matter, but I just kind of like the raspberries. And there you have it, guys, our simple, easy, and delicious 6-ingredient cream cheese cupcakes. It doesn't get much easier and any more delicious. Alright, let's grab one of these up and dig in. And just look at this, guys. I can hardly believe they were only made with 6 ingredients. They look spectacular. These are really, really good. My raspberry just about fell off there. Like I say, hard to believe they're made with 6 ingredients, and I would not turn my nose up at any party if somebody served me these. They're just so good, that texture, the cream cheese, the graham filling, oh, just fantastic. You gotta make these.